or the type of Ethernet standards. So when we talk about these Ethernet standards, you have different Ethernet standards. The first one starts with Ethernet itself. Then you have fast Ethernet. Then third, you have gigabit Ethernet. And fourth, you have 10 gigabit Ethernet.
If you enjoyed the content of the video, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.
Cool. The Ethernet kind of gives you the speed about 10 Mbps, which means that you can forward and receive traffic or data traffic with the speed of 10 Mbps. And with fast Ethernet, the speed with each standard kind of increases over here. With the fast Ethernet, you can forward and receive traffic with the speed of 100 Mbps. Okay, with gigabit Ethernet, you can send and receive data with 1 Gbps. Cool. And with 10 gigabit Ethernet, you can forward and receive traffic with the help of 10 Gbps. That's how speeds differ according to the Ethernet standards. Makes sense. However, the straight through and crossover thing still validates over here. So yeah, the only thing that you need to remember that whenever you are using fast Ethernet or Ethernet, then 4 pins are used for data transfer and 4 pins are used for voltage. And whenever you move towards gigabit or 10 gigabit Ethernet, then all 8 pins are used for data transfer and voltage. You see that? The thing doesn't differs like that. That only 4 will be used for data and 4 will be used for voltage. In gigabit Ethernet and in fast gigabit Ethernet, all the 8 pins will be used. Make sense? So that's gonna help you over there. Cool. And then these are kind of the Ethernet standards that you use.